Hello there. This is the third video in this series, and we're going to cover how to set a payment method on Kram Investments. In our previous two videos, we covered how to register, verify, login to an account, and how to create a Binance account. And I shared a link to the KYC process on Binance, which is very crucial for you to be able to access all features of Binance and for you to be able to transact without any kind of limits, um, lower limits, that is. So this is where we are currently. I'm on my account, Kram Investments. I just reload to make sure I'm still logged in. Okay, so after you created your account, this is where you got. So the next step after creating the account and the two accounts, this one and Binance, then you go ahead and set a payment method. You can do that by just coming here, or if you try and go to deposits, let's say, the system will just redirect you to the payment method, because you cannot deposit, you cannot withdraw before you set a payment method. So either just click the link, the menu option over here, set payment method, or anywhere else that you might want to click, deposits, investments, withdrawals. They're all going to lead you back to this page. So Kram uses USDT, which is a stable coin. For those of you not familiar, if you're not familiar with what a stable coin is, if crypto is not really your forte, then the best way I can describe it is USDT is like the dollar, but a digital version of the dollar. See, with the dollar, you get to have the paper money, which is called fiat currency. But with crypto, it's all digital, and with USDT, unlike other cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum or Bitcoin, which is known a lot more because it was more or less the first cryptocurrency, USDT doesn't fluctuate. Its value is pegged to the dollar, so that's why it's called a stable coin. Because with the others you find at one point it's the value is at, let's say, $1,000 per Ethereum, for instance, and then a month later you find it at $1,500 per Ethereum. But USDT will always, it does fluctuate a bit, but always between $0.99 and $1.01. So it's always there, just at the dollar mark. That's why it's called a stable coin, and that's the currency that Kram Investment currently uses. That might change later in the future, so depending on when you're watching this video, but the process is more or less going to be the same, whether it's USDT in use or another stable coin such as BUSD. But for now, since it's using USDT, that's what we're going to focus on. And so when you select USDT, actually that's the option, the only option that you get. You need to paste a wallet address. TRC20 is the network of USDT that we are using. It's the Tron network, and there are various different networks, as you're going to see in Binance. But for you to be able to set a payment method, you need to select the TRC20 network. So where do you get this address? Now that's where Binance comes in. I'm going to log into my account. If you do not have the app, the Binance app, you can download it. It's much easier to use. It's portable. It's I mean it's better than the browser, but that's just my opinion. And it allows you to log in to your account on the browser without having to to enter your email and password. So I'm going to log into my current account, and I'm going to use the app for that. So it does give this option to just scan this QR code and log in. So that's what I'm doing right now off screen with the mobile app. So I've done that, and it's going to log me in just like that, and I can access my dashboard. So where do you get this wallet address? By coming to here, wallet, and fiat and spot. It's going to be the same on the app, but the interface is a bit different. On the app, you're going to click the wallets option down, just below. There are some options. There's home, markets, trades, futures, wallets. You're going to click on wallets, and that's where you're going to find the spot wallet. And once you're here, whether you're here on the browser or on the app, you're going to select the deposit option. Again, the process is the same, it's just that the interface is different. It looks a bit different on the app, but basically the process is the same. You go to wallets, you select on you click on deposit, and you select the currency, the coin that you want to deposit. We are not actually depositing. What we want is to get the wallet address. So that's the process. This is the process to get the wallet address. You can either search if it's not available, just right there, USDT. You can search, or if you can see it in the options that are there, select it. It's the USDT Tether US. This one right here. So once you search USDT, you're going to just see it. So select it. And remember when I mentioned that there are other networks, but we're only using TRC20. This is where that's important, because there are all these networks for USDT, but all the others are mostly expensive, and that's why we are not using them. Transacting with the other networks, it's quite expensive. So Tron, the TRC20 network, is the least expensive of them. So select it. That's what we're using from investments. And once you've selected it, you're going to see this address. This is the address that you copy and you paste on in your account on Kram Investments. So there'll be these, whether you're on the browser or on the app. This icon here will be present. Just click it to copy, then come to your account on Kram and paste it. Now it needs to be a valid address, because if you try to, let's say, let me just add a character there and I try to set it, the system will not accept, because it doesn't recognize that as a valid address. There's a format to the addresses, and there's a check that's done. So if I, let's say, replace the K, the capital K, with a small k, same thing, it's not going to be recognized as a valid address, because the addresses are case sensitive. So if it's a capital K, it needs to be a capital K. So make sure you paste it as it is. And then once you've pasted the correct one, then you set payment method. The payment method has been set. You may now deposit using your selected method and activate your account. So that's it. For, as you can see now, the option to set payment method has disappeared because it's already set, and that was the goal of this video. So we are done. There are no links to share, but just in case you do not have an account yet, you can go back to the first video in this series, or you can just go ahead and create an account. Link will be down below. Remember to subscribe if you're a Kram Investments member, or if you want to learn about cryptocurrency, because there will be other videos in the future that are not just specifically geared towards Kram Investments. They're before crypto in general, such as how to buy crypto through P2P. So just subscribe, like the video to help with the algorithm and all that good YouTube stuff that you've heard a million times. I'll see you in the next video where we're going to buy crypto through P2P on Binance so that we can actually be able to deposit, because before you deposit money you need to have it. In this case the money is USDT, so before you can deposit USDT you need to have it in your wallet address. So that's what I'm going to be covering in the next video. I'll see you then.